Volcanoes, formation, types, and eruption styles. Volcanoes are among the most powerful and awe-inspiring natural features on Earth. At first glance, they may appear to be simple mountains with openings at the top, but in reality, they are the result of deep and complex processes occurring beneath the Earth's surface. A volcano is essentially a vent or opening in the crust through which molten rock, gases, and ash escape from the interior of the planet. These dramatic events can reshape landscapes, create new land, and sometimes cause destruction, but they also play a vital role in Earth's natural system. To understand how volcanoes form, it is important to explore the structure of the Earth. The Earth is made up of three main layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The crust is the thin outer layer where humans live. Beneath it lies the mantle, which is much thicker and composed of hot, semi-solid rock. At the center is the core, which is extremely hot and dense. The heat from the core causes the material in the mantle to move slowly in a circular motion. This movement is called convection, and it drives the motion of tectonic plates, which are large pieces of the Earth's crust. These tectonic plates are constantly moving, although very slowly. Volcanoes are most commonly formed at the boundaries of these plates. One major setting is where plates move apart from each other, known as divergent boundaries. As the plates separate, magma rises from the mantle to fill the gap. Over time, repeated eruptions cause layers of lava to build up, eventually forming a volcano. Another important setting is at convergent boundaries, where one plate moves beneath another in a process called subduction. As the descending plate sinks deeper into the Earth, it melts due to high temperatures and pressure, forming magma. This magma rises to the surface and can create powerful volcanoes. Volcanoes can also form in the middle of tectonic plates, away from boundaries. These are known as hotspot volcanoes. In this case, a plume of extremely hot material rises from deep within the mantle and melts the crust above it. As the tectonic plate moves over this stationary hotspot, a chain of volcanoes can form over time. This process explains why some regions have long lines of volcanic islands. There are several types of volcanoes, and each has its own unique shape and characteristics. One of the most common types is the shield volcano. These volcanoes are wide and gently sloping, resembling a shield lying on the ground. They are formed by lava that is thin and flows easily over long distances. Because the lava is not very sticky, it does not trap much gas, so eruptions are usually calm and steady rather than explosive. Over time, many layers of lava spread out and build a broad volcanic structure. Another important type is the composite volcano, also called a stratovolcano. These volcanoes are tall, steep, and often symmetrical in shape. They are built from alternating layers of lava, ash, and other volcanic materials. The lava in these volcanoes is thicker and more viscous, which means it does not flow easily. As a result, gases can become trapped inside, leading to a buildup of pressure. When this pressure is released, it can cause powerful and explosive eruptions. These volcanoes are often associated with some of the most dramatic and dangerous volcanic events. Cinder cone volcanoes are smaller and simpler compared to other types. They are formed from fragments of lava, ash, and rock that are thrown into the air during an eruption and then fall back around the vent. These materials accumulate over time, creating a shaped hill with a crater at the top. Cinder cone volcanoes usually have short-lived eruptions and do not grow very large, but they can still be impressive in appearance. Lava domes are another type of volcanic formation. These occur when very thick and sticky lava slowly rises to the surface and piles up near the vent instead of flowing away. Because the lava is so dense, it can trap gases beneath it. This makes lava domes potentially dangerous, as pressure can build up and lead to sudden and explosive eruptions. Even though they may appear quiet, lava domes can be unpredictable. Volcanic eruptions can vary widely in style, depending on the composition of the magma and the amount of gas it contains. One common type of eruption is the effusive eruption. In this case, lava flows gently out of the volcano and spreads across the land. These eruptions are usually not very violent and are often associated with shield volcanoes. However, the flowing lava can still destroy buildings, roads, and vegetation in its path. In contrast, explosive eruptions are much more violent and dangerous. These occur when magma is thick and contains a high amount of gas. As the magma rises toward the surface, the pressure decreases, allowing the gas to expand rapidly. This can cause the magma to explode, sending ash, rock fragments, and hot gases high into the atmosphere. One of the most dangerous features of explosive eruptions is the pyroclastic flow, which is a fast-moving cloud of hot gas and volcanic material that can travel at extremely high speeds and temperatures, destroying everything in its path. Another type of eruption is the phreatic eruption. This occurs when water comes into contact with hot magma or heated rocks. The water quickly turns into steam, expanding rapidly and causing an explosion. These eruptions can happen suddenly and without much warning, even if there is no fresh magma reaching the surface. Fissure eruptions are also significant. Instead of erupting from a single central vent, lava flows out from long cracks in the Earth's surface. These eruptions can release large volumes of lava over wide areas, forming extensive lava plains. Although they may not always be explosive, their scale can have a major impact on the landscape. Volcanoes are not only destructive, they also provide important benefits. Volcanic ash, once it settles and weathers, creates very fertile soil that is ideal for agriculture. This is one reason why many people choose to live near volcanoes despite the risks. Volcanoes also contribute to the formation of new land, especially in oceanic regions where repeated eruptions can build islands over time. Additionally, volcanic gases have played a role in shaping the Earth's atmosphere throughout its history. In conclusion, volcanoes are powerful natural systems formed by the movement and heat of the Earth's interior. They occur in different types, including shield volcanoes, composite volcanoes, cinder cones, and lava domes, each with distinct features. Their eruptions can range from gentle lava flows to violent explosions, depending on the nature of the magma and gases involved. By studying volcanoes, scientists can better understand the dynamic processes of the Earth and help communities prepare for potential hazards. If you found this explanation helpful and want to explore more fascinating topics like this, do not forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging and informative content.